Look at the water tank loading process. The operator begins by setting up the control panel, inputting the exact amount of water required. Once everything is configured, the system activates and water starts flowing through the large yellow hose, filling the tank efficiently. Watch as the water level rises, a crucial step for tasks like dust control and irrigation. This setup ensures the right amount of water is loaded without any wastage. And there it is, the tank is full and ready for action.